निमिष
Namaste everyone. Welcome to the 9th offering in our Amba Anandeshwari Kalalaya Adelaide's Navaratri series, Amba Ahvanam, presented to you by Hreem Dance Company's YouTube channel. It has been a tremendous journey bringing these 9 days of Nritya and Sangeeta Seva and offering it to Devi and to Sri Rama during this auspicious period of Navaratri. The reason I take both those names may be known to some of our viewers, may not be known to some others. So a quick explanation on what is Navaratri and why is it that for the past 9 days the Hreem Dance Company's YouTube channel has been blowing up with uploads. Navaratri in essence are 9 nights of celebrating divine feminine consciousness. One of the most important parts in Sanatana Hindu Dharma is the worship of the female cosmic supreme power. It is believed in the Shakta tradition, that is this tradition, that it is the feminine energy that is the ultimate, the supreme. Navaratri is an empowering celebration of femininity and the divine feminine consciousness, not only in the Hindu pantheon of gods and goddesses as we know them, but also as a celebration of the same in every man, woman, animal, bird, plant, animate and inanimate object. Because there is no creation, there is no existence without femininity. Femininity is the source, feminine consciousness is the source. This particular example was given to me by Devi herself one day. It was revealed to me that, it is only the greatness of nature, which is Prakriti, which is femininity, female divine consciousness, that can create something out of nothing. You may think that a seed is waste and you may throw it, discard it into the soil, but the soil being as potent as she is, Bhumi Devi, as we regard her, she can turn even a discarded seed into a tree that feeds and sustains so many. Therefore, femininity, the Shakta tradition, is a celebrative one, is one that considers Devi to be alive and aware, not only in the pantheon as I said, but in everything and everybody, in me and in you. As we celebrate this Navaratri, as with almost every other Navaratri, this Sharad Ritu Navaratri also coincides with the celebration of an avatara of the sustaining, the protecting energy, Mahavishnu's avatara, Sri Rama. Sri Rama's birth comes during the Vasanta Navaratri. Ramanavami and Vasanta Navaratri come together. Whereas the historic event of Rama conquering Ravana also happens during the Sharad Navaratri. The 10th day, which is Vijaya Dashami for the Shakta tradition, is Dasara for the Vaishnava traditions and generally known in the Sanatana Hindu Dharma. Why do we celebrate the killing of Ravana over Rama? Let's be very clear in understanding. Although the rundown versions, the diluted versions of Hindu history portray and paint Ravana as a villain, he is actually far from that. He is a scholar, a great ruler, an incredible devotee of Paramashiva himself. Ravana is in every way able, capable, competent, and equal to Sri Rama. The only difference between them and the reason that they are pit against each other in this particular Puranic story is because Ravana represents excellence but with disintegration. His thoughts, his ideas, his identity, it's all confused, it's all disintegrated. But with Sri Rama, whether there is that amount of excellence or not is another debate altogether. But the simple fact that he has singular focus, ekagrata, he has integration, he has no confusion, he has clarity. That is the reason that they become symbolic figures for us so that we may pass on our morals and stories on to the next generation. So on one hand, we are celebrating the greatest cosmic power, the supreme feminine energy. On the other hand, we are reminded to choose within us clarity over confusion, integration over disintegration, Sri Rama over Ravana. Not to say that Ravana is a villain, just to say that when you are given an option, when both of these exist within you, the choice of the clarity over the confusion and the integration over the disintegration is a better alignment towards what is within you and what is outside you as cosmic energy. Not only does our Navaratri celebrate the feminine and the masculine and the psychological divine cosmic ideologies and powers, as we call them, but it is also a great way to preserve and propagate the indigenous art forms. The reason I say that is because the tradition of having the Ram Leela preserves, promotes, propagates indigenous theatre, music, costume design, makeup, literature, all of those things. On the other hand, the tradition of having the Navaratri Kolu, the word Kolu means darbar, which is the idea of having the steps of all the idols that we see. This particular practice preserves, promotes the indigenous art form of doll making, of decorating one's own house, of preparing various protein-rich prasadams, of sharing good energy, positive energy with one another, of wishing each other well, of choosing that supreme energy of positivity within us over the negativity. Navaratri is so much, but Navaratri is also just a little bit more. Navaratri is a reminder that ultimately we are all elements that play within the simulation or the Kolu, the darbar of the divine supreme consciousness and energy. We are within this simulation, and our choice to celebrate makes our existence in this simulation easier by leaps and bounds for sure, but ultimately it is our surrender. It is our surrender to that divine consciousness, whether we choose Rama, whether we choose Devi, whether we choose art, whether we choose whatever name we choose to give it. What is amazing is that the Sanatana Hindu Dharma allows for this celebration. And so, thank you for joining us in this celebration in Amba Anandeshwari Kalalaya, Adelaide's celebration of Navaratri through Nrityam and Sangeetam, which is dance and music. This Vijayadashami, we wish you all many, many wonderful new beginnings. We bow down to our Guru Paramparas, and we wish you all so many wonderful, positive things to come into your life. whether it be through our dance, through our music, through our words, through Yada Presents Anandotsava, which is also Ambanandeshwari Kalalaya's event. It's in association with Bho. Whether it is that event or whether it is this event or whether it is anything, any seva that we are doing in this simulation to Devi and to Sri Rama, and that helps one another, we wish you all of that positive energy. In this Vijayadashami, we also hope that the conclusion of this series is only the beginning of many, many, many more new creations, presentations and offerings to the divine cosmic energy through the divine arts by, I'll take the liberty of saying, the divine beings who dance and sing with us at Ambanandeshwari Kalalaya. I'm Gurumai Daksha Swaminathan. Once again, thank you for being with us so far and welcome to our Vijayadashami edition of Ambanandeshwari Kalalaya's Navaratri Amba Ahvanam, presented to you by Hreem Dance Company. Tonight's theme is a little different. So far we have seen a wonderful progressive chronology from small to big, from opening to end, from beginning to conclusion, from source to sink. Tonight, because it is Vijayadashami and because we don't want to finish something, we don't want to complete it and let it go, we want it to be a new beginning, and because Navaratri stands for alignment, tonight's concept is back to the source, realignment. And the way that this is going to be done in our Nritya and Sangeeta Seva tonight is we go not from the opening piece to the concluding piece, but from a conclusion back to a beginning. We go from a bhajan and a tarana through to a tarangam, through to Nrityanjali, and finish with an invocatory song. Some of you might be wondering, what is this? It makes no sense. But really, this is what we are all doing. And I'm reminded of something from the Lalita Sahasranamam, even as I say this, Antarmukha Samaradhya Bahirmukha Sudurlabha. When one is aligned to the outer world, it is a task even for the divine cosmic energy to pull you towards it. When you begin to realign from the outer to the inner, Devi also accepts you with open arms. And so, tonight we begin with a tarana in Rag Jaunpuri, followed by a Dasarapada or a bhajan on Sri Rama. Sri Rama, because he is the most accessible avatara that we can think of during this Navaratri. We remember Sri Rama. The tarana is a humble composition that is attempted by me with the blessings and guidance of my gurus. That will be done in Kathak Nritya Shaili. Moving on, we have Tarangam in Raga Kiravani and the Kirtanam Ambavani Nannu Adarimpave. This is going to be in the Kuchipudi Nritya Shaili. Following this, we do Nrityanjali, which is an opening invocatory piece, followed by a kriti or a singing of praise and joyous celebration of Devi Lakshmi. This is in Raga Varamu. So we go Rama, Saraswati, Lakshmi being in Devanrityam. And the concluding invocation is on Ambal herself, Bala Tripura Sundari in Raga Hamsanadam. I hope you all enjoy tonight's seva and receive all the blessings. Ram, Ram, Ram.
Shikara తజ్జును జం తదన్ తగది తదన్ జం తగరిగడ తగ తగరిగడ తగ తగది జం తగది జం తగది జం గది జును తదిమి గది తన తజును జును జును తదిమి తగది జం తగది జం తగది జం గది ధన జును తదిమి గది ధన తజును జును జును తదిమి తగది తదన్న తదన్నత తదన్న తజున్నుత 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 దిమ్మిత తదిమ్మిత తదిమ్మిత కితత తకితత తధరి తదన్నత తదన్న తజున్నుత తజున్నుత దిమ్మిత తదిమ్మిత కితత తధరిత తదన్నత తజున్నుత తదిమ్మిత తధరిత తదన్నత తజున్నుత తదిమ్మిత హరి తదన్న జున్నుత ధరి తదన్న తజున్ను తదిమ్ గెది ధన జున్ను దిమ్ తదరి తదన్న తజున్ను తదిమ్మి తజు తక్కడదగదం దిత్తక్కడదగదం దక్కడదగదం గదదగదం తగదం తదరి తదన్న తజున్ను తదిమ్మి తజు తక్కడదగదం దిత్తక్కడదగదం దక్కడదగదం గదదగదం తగదం తదరి తదన్న తజున్ను తదిమ్మి తజు తక్కడదగదం దిత్తక్కడదగదం దక్కడదగదం గదదగదం తగదం కాళేశ్వర ప్రియ కామిత ఫల ప్రదే కామ్యాని అంబవాణి నన్ను ఆదరింపవే 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 శంభరారి వైరి సహోదరి శంభరారి వైరి సహోదరి కంబುಗಳೇಸಿದ ಕಮಲೇಶ್ವರಿ ಅಂಬವಾಣಿ ನನ್ನು ಆದರಿಂಪವೇ ಅಂಬವಾಣಿ ನನ್ನು ಆದರಿಂಪವೇ ಅಂಬವಾಣಿ ಕೀರ್ವಾಣಿ సగసలీని దసనిదామ గమగస నిగస గమ గమ గమదని గద మదని గని జణుత దింత ధిమిత నోంత నంత ధింత ధిన్నతో గమ గమ గగ జణుత దిం మదని గణుత దింత ధిమిత నంత నంత తోంత ధిన్నతోం నిస గమ గమ గగ జణుత దిం మదని తదిం జణుత దింత ధిమిత जनुदरे नदनी दरे जनुदरे तसितरांत नंद गोदरे नदो निसगम गमा जनुदरे तग जनुरे जनुदरे दिगम तनम तरो दो निसगमा तग जनुदरे जनुदरे धिम्मी तक तकिट तकिट तक धिकिट तक तुम किट तक नम तकिट धिम्मी तक जनु तक धिगरे तक धिम्मी तकिट तक धिम्मी तकिट तक तकिट तक धिम्मी जनु तक धिम्मी तक जनु
जयतु ते जयतु ते लक्ष्मी जयतु ते जयतु ते जयतु ते लक्ष्मी जयतु ते जयतु ते जयतु ते वरलक्ष्मी वरदायिनी अभयकरी श्री महालक्ष्मी जयतु ते जयतु ते जयतु ते वरलक्ष्मी वरदायिनी अभयकरी श्री महालक्ष्मी देवी हृदय कमलवासिनी सुहासिनी देवी हृदय कमलवासिनी सुहासिनी शरणारविन्दं भजामि भजामि देवी हृदय कमलवासिनी सुहासिनी शरणारविन्दं भजामि भजामि रं रं रमारञ्जनि रुक्मपूरणि समृद्धि शरदे नमस्कृति नमोऽस्तुते रं रं रमारञ्जनि रुक्मपूरणि समृद्धि शरदे नमस्कृति नमोऽस्तुते अष्टसिद्धिदायिनि आनन्दरूपिणि अष्टसिद्धिदायिनि आनन्दरूपिणि सुन्दरी मङ्गलकरी लक्ष्मी सुन्दरी मङ्गलकरी वरलक्ष्मी सुन्दरी मङ्गलकरी श्री महालक्ष्मी बाला सुंदरी बाला रूपिणी बाला पूरणी बाला सुंदरी अम्बा बाला रूपिणी ललिता बाला पूरणी बाला सुंदरी अम्बा बाला रूपिणी ललिता बाला पूरणी जन्म जन्मांतर जन्म जन्मांतर कार्य कारिणी जन्म जन्मांतर कार्य कारिणी बृहदीश्वरी जन्म जन्मांतर कार्य कारिणी बृहदीश्वरी सौंदरनायकी जन्म जन्मांतर कार्य कारिणी बृहदीश्वरी सौंदरनायकी सर्वमयी सर्वमयी सर्वोपरि जन्म जन्मांतर कार्य कारिणी बृहदीश्वरी सौंदरनायकी सर्वमयी सर्वोपरि बाला सुंदरी अम्बा बाला रूपिणी ललिता बाला पूरणी बा